Guys, I just found out that I can only make a video about 15 minutes cause last time I made a 30-minute video. I can post it. My SIM card don't work on it. I don't know what's wrong, but I'm save up for a new SIM card. And good news, I'm about to order a new keyboard for my computer so I can play both in Bedrock Edition and Java Edition. Like both Bedrock and Java. Yeah, I can play on it. So I'm gonna play on Bed Wars right now. Please don't lag, bro. Please don't lag. Okay, I'm not lagging. I'm not lagging, bro. I ain't no lagging. Not like earlier. The lag was like dang bad, bro. I can't even make a proper vid because of the lag earlier. But it's okay, bro. I can still play even even without a okay. If I win this round, I'm gonna play on um 4-player team. Yeah, I don't really need my bed right now. If I destroy their bed first, I'll win instant because like I'm good at this game, bro. Yo, I bet the other team doesn't even know I'm gonna go for them. It's big deal. No, it's white. Yeah, bro, yeah, bro, yeah, bro, yeah, bro. Get destroyed, bro. Okay, I'm on 2 minutes in, so I can only play about 2 or 3 games every week because of my problem in YouTube. Yes, sir. Okay, okay, okay. Gonna go. I should have just gone to the middle then go for the bed. Was that a much better idea? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think so. I am so dumb. I don't know why my skills are too good that I even got banned in CubeCraft. Like, I don't even use cheats, bro. I only use cheats on Roblox. When my sisters and brother ask me to play with them, they want me to play with cheats on because they saw that cheats are enabled in some game of Roblox. So that's the problem. I even got one of my accounts banned from a game in Roblox because of cheating. But but I can turn my brothers and sisters down, bro. I just can't, bro. I just can't. Like, they're a part of your family. So if you have one, so tell me. Oh hell, don't mind the kill aura button. That always shows up since I downloaded this Minecraft. I think this Minecraft version might be OP. Think of it. Like, why won't it be actually OP? Like, it would be such a honor to have it. Oh hell nah, brother. Oh, oh hell nah, bruh. I ain't dying to some new. This random guy just went up to my bed and destroyed it. Oh my. Hell nah, bruh. I'm so bad at this game, bro. I'm the only one here that's the baddest destroy, bro. I need to stop at like 15 minutes in. I think one game is good enough, right? I'll just post another one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This ugly room. I can't really curse people in this game. Like, I'm the one here's a noob. Bro, I'm the one here's who's a total noob, bro. I can I can't blame them for my skills. The only thing that I do know is I'm about to destroy Pink. Destroy Pink. Oh man, I guess I can do it in the next round. And bye guys. See you in my next vid.